Hello guys. So this is the second interview questions and I am taking medium level of questions here. So here this interview question was asked in Facebook interview as you can see, and this is for SQL interview. What is the overall friend acceptance rate by date? So you have to find the friend acceptance rate with respect to date. As you can see here, there is the output. I have already created a query and told you the solution, and your output should have the rate of acceptance by the date of request was sent and order by to the earliest to when it was sent. Assume that each friend request starts by a user sending, that is user ID. So let me show you this whole schema. So here is the user ID sender, a friend request to another user, user ID receiver. For whoever is sent, there is a ID. Whoever is received, there is some ID for that, and that's locked in table with action sent. Action is sent, and here if someone has accepted their request, it is shown as accepted, and here the date is given. If the request is not accepted, no record of action equals to accepted is logged. Agar if the request is not accepted, then simple, like accepted is not there, it will be just sent. So here we have to find the overall friend acceptance rate with respect to date, like which date is having more acceptance rate, or particularly we can say we have to find the percentage. So simple. First we will focus on parts, like you have to divide the query in parts. So simple, like here you can see like select date, user ID. Just look at this one. Select date, user ID sender, user ID receiver from every friend request where action equals to send. So here we have received all the data which are having sent as their action. Okay, so this is very simple, like a simple query. Here you are getting all the requests which are accepted. Okay, and here we are using left join to join the query. Okay, so here we are having one table, we are renaming as A. Here we are having second table, we are aligning as B, and we are joining it on user ID. User ID sender first table and second table, and also on receiver ID. Okay, so this is the whole thing, like it is very simple I think. So first we have find out about the sender, like what is the sender table, what is the acceptance table, and when we have joined the table, so basically it will be containing all the IDs which are accepted as well as sent IDs will already be there, because we want all the sent IDs. uh, we do not want any duplicates, that's why we have used left join, so that all the sent will be there and matching with the left table. Hope you got the point. And after that we are having two tables, we have joined them. So after that we have to find the percentage basically. So here we are using count aggregate function for counting all the user IDs that is in the B and all the user IDs that is in the A. So for the receiver, b dot user we have used, like for the what is the acceptance rate divided by what is the sent rate, and we are converting it as a decimal, and this is simple, like we have used the alias percentage acceptance, and here is a dot date, and here we have grouped by a dot date so that it will be directly grouped by, otherwise it will be having a issue with using aggregate functions. So hope you got the query. I think I will now. I think you can see the whole query here. Yeah, now. So let us check the solution, and here we can see that like we are having 0.75 percentage acceptance for this date and this much acceptance for this date. Hope you got the point. So This was a little complex question, so I will be posting more such kind of SQL queries as well as more Python interview questions that are asked in many companies. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to the channel. Looking forward to see you soon. Thank you so much.